Good morning, beautiful people. Today, we're diving into some super tasty, healthy, and completely gluten-free breakfast ideas perfect if you're trying to lose weight without sacrificing flavor or tradition. Whether you call it breakfast or Nashta, we've got something wholesome, energizing, and satisfying for everyone. Skipping breakfast? Big mistake. A nutritious breakfast jumpstarts your metabolism, fuels your brain, and prevents overeating later in the day, especially when it's gluten-free and made with the right balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Let's kick off with a twist on a classic oats veggie upma, gluten-free rolled oats, chopped veggies, carrot, peas, bell pepper, tempering mustard seeds, curry leaves, green chili. Sauté the spices and veggies, toss in soaked oats, cook for a few minutes. Boom! A warm, fiber-rich breakfast that keeps you full for hours. Next up, protein-packed bisanchilla, made with chickpea flour, naturally gluten-free and great for weight loss. Add water, turmeric, salt, cumin, onion, green chili, and coriander. Cook like pancakes. Serve with mint chutney or low-fat yogurt. So simple, so good. Want something sweet but still healthy? Try quinoa breakfast porridge. Cook quinoa in almond milk, add cinnamon, a hint of honey, and top with banana, berries, and nut butter. It's like dessert, but good for you. In a rush? Try these quick and clean options. Avocado on gluten-free toast, boiled eggs with fruit, green smoothies, millet dosa with chutney. You don't need to spend hours. Just prep smart and keep it real. And remember, weight loss isn't just about the food. It's how you eat it. Eat enough protein. Don't skip breakfast. Drink water before meals. Avoid added sugars. And move a little every day. These small habits add up. Breakfast is the most powerful tool in your healthy lifestyle. You've now got 3 amazing recipes and plenty of quick ideas. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this with your foodie friends. Till next time, stay healthy, stay happy.